will be replacing the air filter in this 2018 Ford Explorer through the driver's side door. We want to locate the hood release latch. And after we release our secondary safety latch, we can gain access to the engine bay. Taking a look inside the engine bay, we will be focusing our attention towards the driver's side front portion of the engine. Our goal is to locate the air filter housing assembly. And if we take a look at that air filter housing assembly, we can see two clips holding the cover on. And we can then pivot that cover back and off of our hinge point. And this should give us enough room to work that air filter out. And I always like to compare my old part with my new part just to make sure that they look the same. And then we can work that new part back into our air filter housing. And we want to make sure that gets seated properly. Now on the back side of this, we do want to fit it back into that kind of hinge area with the 3 tabs. And then we can replace those clips. And this repair is complete.